up to speed, yeah. I just want you to read my lips.
Good evening, everyone. It's Harry
And Chantal
with Choose to Travel. Today's video is a bit different, but we're excited for the opportunity to check out this fancy new toy. This is the LUMOS Nano. It's a company here in Singapore that produces high quality projectors, and they just released this baby not too long ago, and they reached out and wanted us to play around with it, give it a review, let you all know about how awesome this is, or possibly we actually haven't opened it or touched it yet, so this will be our actual reactions to doing this.
We also have a special guest today.
Who's that?
All the way from Texas.
Is
I'm here.
Gabby!
Hello.
Gabby, who are you?
I'm her sister.
And technically, I'm your
Brother.
in-law. And how old are you?
I'm 13, about to be 14 this year.
Oh
Yeah, that's
few
right.
months.
So, Gabby, are you as excited as we are?
Yes.
We're gonna play around with this. I know you like your technology, so...
She's really good with it.
Yeah, let's see if a 13-year-old who's turning 14 can set up the LUMOS Nano. Let's do it.
Probably can't.
You'll be fine. We're on the hotel floor right now because it's comfy. Our legs are tired. Gabby, you want to do the honors and open this thing up?
Yeah, sure.
Let's do it. Ooh.
Instructions.
Do you think you'll need the instructions?
I don't know, maybe.
Yeah, let's give it a try.
Sister, would you like?
Okay. Ooh.
What's your first impressions there?
It's shiny. It's a nice
Yeah.
shiny new toy.
Exactly
I like
what
the
she
color. Silver. Got maybe the vents back here.
Yeah, I think that's what it should be called.
Okay. So there's not many buttons. At the top here, I can see some controls.
Gabby, do you know what those controls are on the top?
It says right here.
Let's see. Okay, so it goes this direction. So I'm guessing this is the volume. So you slide your finger left to lower, right
Or
to
tap,
raise.
maybe? Yeah, it's all touch screen.
Ooh, fancy.
But before we check that, let's see what else is in the box, just to make sure we got everything.
Okay.
Teamwork. Ooh, this feels heavy.
Heavier than the projector?
No, not at all.
No.
Okay.
So maybe some wiring.
Alright, they're both opening it up.
I got chargers and HDMI.
Oh, okay.
Yoink.
So they included an HDMI cord.
Chargers.
Chantal, what's in that one?
It's like a little mini tripod. It's so cute.
Okay.
You wanna
Do you
put
want
it
to
on?
put it on?
Yeah, that's exactly.
Gabby, you want to try it? Wow, that thing is so small, Gabby.
Still going. Okay.
Nice. This doesn't... No.
You're gonna break it.
Okay, I don't want to break it. It does not extend. Look at this cute little baby.
You could also.
Oh.
Oh, I heard we can also project on the ceiling. We're gonna try that later as well. All right. We also have what?
Remote control.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Batteries included?
Probably not.
No.
No. Oh no.
Okay. Well, no batteries, so we're
So
gonna
we'll
use the
just have
touch
to do-
screen.
Oh, that's fine.
Gabby, should we fire this up?
Sure.
Okay, let's put it on a wall that is kind of white. We're actually not in a place that has white walls, but the recommendation is to use a white wall. It's like grayish.
I think that could work.
Yeah, we're gonna give it a try over here on this wall. We'll turn off the lights. Definitely turn off lights when you're using projectors. And yeah, let's fire it up.
Read my lips when they calling your name. Yeah, I just wanted to talk. Yeah, Christian Dior. But you are the nice thing. One thing before. I just want no credit, but baby, you say I'ma get.
Okay, we found out you hold the button.
There we go.
And let's take a look. Whoa, that's pretty clear already. I think it's loading. Ooh, projector starting.
Oh.
Whoa!
touchscreen.
Okay, so we have a mouse.
It includes built-in applications such as Netflix, YouTube. You can also download other apps via the Google Play Store. There's also a Chrome browser.
Okay, so we just scooted the thing back and it blew it up on the screen. It looks pretty clear. One cool thing is, do you want to angle it a little bit? Like angle it up and then angle it back down. Whenever you angle it, it actually auto adjusts it so it realigns the picture. So lift up, lift down.
Why did I notice that?
And it'll fix itself just like that. How cool!
I didn't even notice that.
Name tatted all over my face. I don't care what all the mother hoes have to say. Make it to the top with you, baby, that's what I pray. I just wanna roll, dog, do it all again. Yeah, I got it on the but it's basically a bang.
We're about to eat some dumplings. This place is huge. It's called Kyoja.
So the sound quality is pretty good already, but you can also plug in a speaker through the audio jack.
If you have a Bluetooth headphone or a Bluetooth speaker, then you can also use that. So let's take a look at the actual hardware. We have a little touch screen on top with a few functions, kind of like what you'd see on a phone. Backside, you have your vents, a USB-A connector, DC plug for your outlet to charge it, and an HDMI slot. On one other side, you have a headphone jack. You have your power button, of course. On the other side, you have a focus wheel to adjust the quality of the projection. One quick thing to mention, it's wireless, so you can actually charge it and it should go for a good amount of time. Okay, we are lying on our backs because this little baby is on its back too. Wow,
I see the camera.
that is crystal clear in the pitch black on a white ceiling. What do you think of the quality there?
That was really good quality.
Gabby, was it easy to use?
Yeah. Pretty
Yeah?
easy.
Okay. Yeah, I think it's pretty cool.
Didn't take long to set up, and I like that it doesn't take up a lot of space on a table.
What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna pass this to each of us, and when you have the little nano in your hand, the LUMOS Nano, you're gonna tell us one favorite thing, your most favorite thing about this. Gabby?
It's small and portable and it's pretty cool.
Dang, she took mine.
I think it was really easy to set up. Not too many crazy buttons, so easy to operate.
You guys took the best one. I like the fact that it's portable and wireless.
Wireless.
Because you can take this on the go and pretty much use it wherever you want. Gabby, how much is it? Do you know?
599 Singaporean dollars?
Yeah,
right?
that's right. It's just under 600 Sing. Pretty good price for something this powerful and portable. Thank you, Lumos, for giving us the opportunity to try this baby out. Hope you guys enjoyed. We certainly did, and I certainly think it's worth checking out, especially if you like projecting stuff. If you don't have a TV in your home, that's a good option.
Yeah, yeah, definitely.
All right, take care, everyone. Bye.
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 Do it all again. Yeah, I got it on the but it's basically a bang. Baby, bring it back. I know we ain't made it, but yeah, we can put it. I don't care what all the mother hoes have to say. Make it to the top with you, baby, that's what I